Tikolo, 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 sit your ass down. Yeah, sit your ass down. Tikolo, yeah, sit your ass. Started from the bottom, now I'm climbing up the chart. Haters throwing shade, but they was hating from the start. Talk behind my back, but never say it to my face. Watch me take the crown while you stuck in second place. Grind don't stop, I've been working since the sunrise. Every single word I spit, it's a numbers rise. They was betting on my downfall, betting on my fail. Now I'm counting up my blessings while you stuck in jail. Tikolo, Tikolo, better shut your mouth. Mata vaca moco kabi, that's what it's about. Haters gonna lose the game. Watch me take the crown. Tikolo, Tikolo, sit your ass down. 50 ways to hate me, but you never met me once. Judging from a distance, that's the coward's front. I ain't never needed no cosign to prove my worth. Built myself from nothing, know my value, know my worth. Talk the talk is only talking till you put in work. Watch me stack it up while you keep swinging in the dirt. Every yell you take, I'm taking this motivation. Turn the pain to power, that's my only calculation. Tikolo, Tikolo, better shut your mouth. Mata vaca moco kabi, that's what it's about. Haters gonna lose the game. Watch me take the crown. Tikolo, Tikolo, sit your ass down. They said I wouldn't make it, said I'd never see the light. Now I'm standing tall and steady, got my vision clear and bright. Every hater that doubted, every voice that said I'm done. Watch me prove you wrong forever, watch me win this one. Tikolo, 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 lose the game, lose the game. Tikolo, lose the game. Tikolo, Tikolo, ain't never been the same.